Alright guys, State College WX here, and today is Saturday, December 4th, 2021 at 16:51, and I want to talk to you about presets on this Emerson alarm clock. So presets are mostly country, but sometimes they have to be 80s and 90s because we don't have enough country stations around here. So anyway, what I want to do is we're going to change them because I want to get more EAS alerts for when it comes to the Pennsylvania monthly test and whenever there are alerts around. So we're going to do that. So we're going to go right through them here. So obviously here's WLIF. But I'm going to leave the Christmas stations on here for now, and I probably will change those later on. So let's go ahead and start with preset 1. So preset 1 is WGTY. Honestly, I'm going to be keeping this as preset 1 because this station will go off of the RMT as and also for SVRs, TORs for Adams and York counties. They don't do flash flood warning, so I'll be keeping WGTY here. This, however, I'll be putting WFRE on 98.5. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Oops. So we kind of will be like SPC York. So there we go. Now, preset 2 is WYCR. So there we go. So now we'll get alerts. They also, by the way, they also go off for Adams and York, just Adams and York. So they're basically just like WGTY. Anyway. Here is POC. We're actually going to be changing this to W. Oh, you know what? No. We're not going to do that. Because honestly, I think I have WZCY already set for preset 4. I do. So let's see what we can do here. SOX. Let's do SOX on this one. Let's go to WSOX. Because they go off for York and Lancaster counties when it comes to alerts, and they relay the PA RMT. So, and there we go. So SOX is now on preset 3. So now we have that going. So anyway, here we go. So preset 4, I said earlier, is WZCY. They go off for Cumberland, Dauphin, and Perry counties when it comes to alerts, like weather-related alerts. And they also go off for the PA RMT, so I don't have to mess with preset 4. Preset 5. Let's see what we can do with preset 5. Let's do WNNK for preset 5. They also go off for Cumberland, Dauphin, and Perry counties, and I'm pretty sure they go off for York. Anyway, and Lancaster, maybe Lancaster. But they also go off for the PA RMT, so we're going to do preset 5. Oh, looks like WNNK is playing a Christmas song right now. By the way, they're not full Christmas, but they do some Christmas music, but they're currently doing It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year by Andy Williams. But we're not going to get a copyright claim. So I'm very sorry about that. Alright, preset 6. Let's go to preset 6. So this can be WQXA. So here's WQXA. Preset 6 is now WQXA. Alright. Now we have to go to preset 7. So this would be WARM, but this thing doesn't get it. WYCR and WGTY signal overlaps it for some sort of darn reason. I don't know why. But what we will do, we're going to put this on WWKL. So there's WWKL on preset 7. They go off for Cumberland, Dauphin, and Perry, and York, I believe. And they also relay the PA RMT. The same thing goes to QXA. So now what we have to do, preset 8. I'm going to leave that alone since that's Christmas. But preset 9, This is the boring Air 1 station we have now. WROZ. So they don't do Christmas music anymore. So that's sad. So I'm trying to get rid of it because I don't like it. I don't like this station. So I'm trying to figure out who else would go off. I think I ran out of stations, I think. Though. Although this thing, the WROZ will go off for, oh wait, no, we can't get WRBT. Darn it. We can get the river, but I think they only do flash flood warnings and tornado warnings. But who knows? But they will relay the RMT. But yeah. 99.3. I don't know. We'll have to leave them alone. We'll have to leave that alone. And WHVR, I don't know what to do with that one either. I think I could have had that one as preset 10. But oh, you know what? Maybe WLAN goes off. So maybe we'll have this. We'll have the boring station on WLAN. Let's go to WLAN. WLAN. Let's see what 99. Yeah, we don't get that. This thing doesn't get it, but other radios can. There's WICR we just passed. There's WRVV. And this thing apparently doesn't get it either. Okay. So there's WLAN. Let's see what 96.5 performs. And this thing just tries to not get it. I don't know what to do, people. I don't even know what to do with these presets. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed. I don't know what to do with the others. But anyway, I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what to do. So I'm just gonna have to leave this for now. I will update you and let you know what I have changed these presets to. Oh yeah, that's right. WHVR does Christmas music, so I'll leave that alone until then. But so pretty much the only one I'm gonna have to think about is WROZ. I don't like them anymore since they are Air 1, so I'm gonna have to go to something else. So I'll update you and see what happens. I'm gonna put this back on the Christmas station. So there's WLIF, but eventually these will all be Pennsylvania stations. We'll try to see what we can do here. But those are all the presets that I know of for now. So that way we can get Pennsylvania RMTs a lot better, so I can get a lot more alerts when it comes to that. Oh, you know what? I might have 104.7. 104.7 for some reason goes off for the RMT for Pennsylvania, so I probably am gonna put ROZ. I'm gonna turn it into that. I don't know. Oh, whoa, no. Gotta wait till that expires. There we go. Anyway, let's go to WAYZ, because I'm pretty sure they relay alerts from State College sometimes, but also we can get... Let's just have WAYZ here. 104.7 WAYZ. So, anyway. Nope. There we go. So now it's 1,700 hours now. But basically what this is, I'm trying to get to all these stations, and then preset 10. WHVR just died. Oh my god! WHVR just died. What in the world? Sure it's not this thing? Let me try the other ones. Holy crap. What happened? No, they literally died. WHVR literally died. I'm not kidding, they actually died. They actually died. Oh my god. While I was filming this new station thing, WHVR died. What the heck? Oh my god, they actually died. Oh. Okay, anyway. I don't want to get a copyright claim, so... Anyway, these things just came out about 15 minutes ago. Oh, wow, are you kidding me? As of 1700 hours, WHVR died. Well, anyway, I'm going to put it back on my preset stations. Preset 5, I changed to 97.5 because I can somewhat get them. It's WLFT, or WLTF, or whatever it is. They do Christmas, but anyway, this was pretty much the station update for now. But anyway, I will put this back on WLIF. Nope. So there we go. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed, and that'll pretty much be it for this. So yeah, WHVR apparently died while I was doing all of these station changes. So that way, let's review quick. We need to do a review quick. So, starting from preset 1, Starting from preset 1, we have 1077 WGTY FM. Preset 2, we have as WYCR FM, Rocky 98.5. Preset 3, we have as WSOX FM. Preset 4, we have WZCY FM. Preset 5, oh, there goes WNNK FM with another Christmas song. They're doing Paul McCartney now. Preset 6, we have WQXA FM. Preset 7, we have WWKL FM. Preset 8, that also would be Pennsylvania, but preset 8 for now, at least, we have WLIF, since they're doing Christmas music. Preset 9 is WAYZ FM. And preset 10, oh, they're back. Okay, so preset 10 we have as WHVR FM. But anyway, they're back on the air now. What the heck? They just died earlier, but they came back. But anyway, I hope this has, everyone has enjoyed this. Uh-oh. Turn the volume down all the way. I don't want WYZ, I want WLIF. There we go. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed. I can't believe that WHVR somehow died during this station change, but there we go. So that's pretty much how the PA Monthly is going to be. I at least have stations where the Pennsylvania Monthly will be relaying over. But anyway, this will pretty much conclude it. The station change, that way I can get alerts much better and faster. But anyway, I hope you have enjoyed. I will try to see what I can do about other stations around here that I can get, and then I'll put the presets onto those. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed, and that'll pretty much be it for this evening, as you'll probably be seeing this tomorrow. But if you see this tonight, great. If you don't, you'll see it tomorrow, but depends on how YouTube wants to handle this. But anyway, that pretty much concludes the station change for Pennsylvania, so that way I can get the Pennsylvania monthly tests and alerts from State College better. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed, and that'll pretty much be it. And again, I will update you if I find a station that I think would fit preset 9. So that'll pretty much be it. I'll talk to you guys later.